you've just heard the 9.1s in action. And the first thing that you'll notice is these definitely do not like bass. If anything, they're a little bit bass heavy. And this, unfortunately, muffles the vocals and the mid. However, this can be improved by speaker placement. And what I've found is that if you leave between 15 and 20 centimetres away from the rear wall, then the bass levels seem to reduce enough to let the vocals and the mids become more prominent. But overall, I mean, the vocals aren't bad. I mean, they definitely could be improved, but for the money, you can't really complain. These 9.1s can definitely cut it up front as your main speakers in probably a 2.1 sort of setup. However, if you did have a cinema surround sound, then I would suggest a pair of floor standers up front with these at the rear. But like I said, if you just want them as a 2.1, then these speakers can definitely cut it. Well, overall, Wharfedale have done a really good job at making these speakers. They're very good to look at, they're very good sound, and for under £100 they're an absolute bargain. However, if you can spend maybe an extra £20-30, then you can definitely get a lot better. But if you're on a bit of a tight budget and you've got £100 to spend on a pair of speakers, then nothing really comes close to these. Right, thank you for watching my review, and I'll see you next time.